Today we are making SAVJI chicken, which is one of the yummy snacks of SAVJI people for party evenings. Take half kg chicken in a bowl and wash it with warm water twice. We have already washed the chicken and now we are proceeding with the recipe. Now add half spoon turmeric powder to it. Half spoon salt. And half spoon ginger garlic paste. And add half spoon of oil to it. Mix it well so that chicken absorbs masala properly. It yields a good taste. After mixing, take a cooker and put the chicken into the cooker. Now pour 1 cup of water to it. Now close the cooker and heat it for 10 minutes under low flame. Now take a container and add 2 spoons of oil to it. Let the oil heat. Once the oil is heated, put coriander leaves to it. Stir well. Now add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste to it. Stir well. Stir it well under medium flame. After half a minute of adding ginger garlic paste, now add tomato puree. Now add 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. Stir it well. One spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of chicken masala. Stir it well. Half spoon of turmeric powder and also half spoon of garam masala. Stir it well. Now put off the flame. I have drained out the water out of chicken. You can use this water to make chicken soup. Now add chicken into the masala. Mix it well such that all the masala is mixed with chicken properly. Add salt according to the taste. Now close the lid and heat it for a minute.